Abuse isn't just emotional, it rewires the brain, leaving scars that impact how we think, how we feel, and how we relate to others. I should know. I'm an abuse survivor, and I now teach thousands of people worldwide how to optimize their happiness. So, trauma overstimulates the brain's alarm system, which is the amygdala, and it keeps you in a constant state of high alert. At the same time, the prefrontal cortex, which helps regulate your emotions, becomes less active. And this imbalance leaves survivors anxious, easily startled, and struggling to concentrate. Chronic stress can also shrink the hippocampus, which affects the memory and learning. And that's why trauma survivors may have blurry or fragmented memories. It's the brain's way of protecting itself. So, to cope, the brain might shut down emotions entirely, a defense mechanism called emotional blunting. And while it offers relief during abuse, it can make reconnecting with emotions difficult even after the abuse ends. The damage to the prefrontal cortex also impairs decision making and emotional control, leading to impulsive behaviors and struggles with anxiety, depression, and even long term mental health disorders. But there's hope. The brain is adaptable, and with the right support, healing is possible. Remember, if you're a survivor, it's not your fault. Reach out for help when you're ready. Let's support survivors by understanding how trauma shapes the brain. Share your thoughts and experiences, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.